Wealth Simple Trade has a 5 out of 5 star rating with almost 70,000 people at the time of this recording. If you're interested in learning the stock market, how to invest, how it all happens, where to begin, how you can actually start today, then this video may be just the one for you. Try to invest as a beginner and how to make some money as a beginner. This app here is the one, in my opinion. Wealth Simple Trade. And this is the site, Wealth Simple Trade. I'll put a link in the bottom. Now, by putting a link in the bottom, it will actually help you. First, let's take a look into the Wealth Simple Trade app. One part of it that I think is very important, when you actually sign up, you go through your sign up process, your name, next, signing on like you would with pretty much everything. I currently, as you see at the top of this page here, $332.44, have made that much within the app already. Actually, I invested about $200, so I guess to this point I've made approximately $132. So I'm just a beginner, but this is as simple as it gets using this app. Now, the thing I really wanted to focus on right here, right now in this video, at the top of this page, you'll see sort of a little package, a gift wrapped package next to the search icon. So when I click the gift wrap package, the little present there, it tells you more about this app. So even if you do not have much money to invest, but you have a lot of friends, for example, who might also be interested, you might like to take advantage of this app because you can invite friends and earn free cash. So not only can you use this app to make money, as I just shown how I've made about 120 over the last little while, and I'm just a beginner, but if you have some friends, share your link, just like I'm sharing my link below. Hopefully you'll click it and jump on board too. You get to share your link once you're signed in, and I think you have to make perhaps $100 trade. So if you want an immediate $25, just get each friend here to sign up with your link, and there is your $25. So 4 of your friends can give you a total of $100. Easy math, of course. Have you got 4 friends? Have you got 8 friends? Do the math. Have you got 16 friends? Maybe you've got 32 friends. Well, certainly, if they're interested in this and they sign up, for each friend who signs up, you'll get $25 and they'll get $10 when they deposit and trade at least $100. So it's good to perhaps get involved at least with the $100 anyway. I know I've jumped in with a couple of $100, and it's kind of fun too. Now you got to really, look at the different stocks and get a good feel for it. Certainly I am not one for giving any advice. I am just a beginner myself, but I've learned enough to look at a few stocks and try choosing this one or that one, and it has made me some money, as I've mentioned already. But this section, this page right here that I'm showing you, can really top up your money quickly once you start spreading the word with your link and your friends. So certainly worth the try. Now, to show the validity of this app, I'll just go to the App Store here. You want to search through the link that I post below, but you can see even when you go to the app, it shows a pretty much 5 out of 5 star rating, with currently, as I make this video, 69,000 people downloading it. 5 out of 5 stars with that many people. It's basically telling you that it's a good, reputable app, and that's why one of the reasons I've trusted it myself, and I'm having fun with it and earning some money as well. But again, this aspect of this video is to show this part where you can invite your friends. Not only can you try the stock market yourself as a beginner, but post your link below as you talk about it with friends, or maybe you can send your link to your friends through your email. Perhaps send your link to your friend list on Facebook or some other social media. Just send your link along, and again, For every one of your friends who signs up, you'll get $25 and they'll get $10 when they deposit and trade at least $100. So I guess that's if there's a catch. Everyone needs to at least give this a try, putting $100 in, giving it a try on the stock market. Which, if you have an interest trying to learn the stock market as a beginner and your friend also has that, that's not a big deal at all because you really are trying to make a few dollars yourself and you're trying to learn the process. So $100 is really not too big of a deal. As mentioned, I put in about $200 and I'm up now to the $332.44, and that actually changes. There last week I was $364, so it's gone down a little, but I don't worry about that because it goes up and down just as equally. I noticed with this particular stock that I'm using, I have the CAE stock that I'm referring to. Also recently got this ZEN or ZEN stock as well as a bit of a test. So I'm just a beginner learning this. It's a lot of fun. I've already earned money, but again, this section here, inviting friends, can really take you over the top as you put out your link. So this is just a focus on that. If you're looking to trade stock as a beginner, this is an excellent recommended app by so many people. 5 out of 5 stars, almost 70,000 people recommending it. So you get to learn how to deal with stocks buying and selling using this app quite easily, and you have the bonus right here. It makes it a solid app. Hopefully you'll check out Wealth Simple Trade as well. My link is below to help get you started.